Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for the next 3 days. So I have scheduled a Dollar Tree haul I'm going to record this one today. I'm going to record another one for tomorrow and then another one for Thursday. Because, well, quite frankly, haven't been in a long time. Me and my mom went to 3 different Dollar Trees. So this is a accumulation of actually 4 different Dollar Trees because I went to another one by myself. So yeah, I just I was itching to go to Dollar Tree. They have masks. I wore masks. Social distance and all that good stuff. So but I did find some really great stuff, and as always, I love sharing what I find at the Dollar Tree because I love this store, and it's a fun store to find stuff in. So let's go ahead and take a look so that I can actually put this stuff away. So let's jump in and show you what I got. Okay, I'm going to start with these big bags because I want to get them out of here, out of my way. Love their tote bags at the Dollar Tree. This one is so cute and summery. Oh, I didn't realize it was dirty. So cute and summery. I just love it, and it's nice big wide bottom bag. So yeah, I'm really love this one. And then I found this one, and I super love this one. I think this kind of geometric, almost like mosaic feel is really pretty, and it's got the orange on the outside. Love this. I love the color combination. It's so pretty. And then I also picked up 2 more of my boxes. If you had watched my craft room tour, I would have shown you the boxes that I had of the that I made to hold my paper. And these were the boxes that I used. So they are the 11 and a half. They're 11 and a half by 2.5 by 12 and a half. And so if you cut along the side where it's 11 and a half, then you could put your 12 by 12 paper pack, 12 by 12 paper in it, and it's got a little bit of hangover. It's got like a 1/2 inch of hangover. But that makes it easy to flip through. If I think about it, I'll add maybe a clip, or you can go check out that video. If you want to see what I'm talking about, go check out my craft room tour. I had to buy some more foam wrap, foam puffy stuff. You can see my cat just loves it to death. So he has chewed it up, got a hold of it and chewed it up. And yeah, so have to put that away. I bought another one of these. I typically pick these up when I see them. They work really good for drains. So just a little household item there. Some other like householdy items. I needed a spoon with a drainage spoon in it. So I just bought this one. It's just the cooking one that you get. It's a Dollar Tree brand one, and it's dishwasher safe, and I've bought these before. I like them. And then I found this really interesting. They had protective wrap film protection. So this is like basically like cellophane that you use when you're moving and you want to wrap something like a dresser or something, and you want to keep it from getting nicked or whatever. Then you can like wrap this up in your and it kind of keeps it from, like, the drawers don't come out and things like that. And I just have never seen anything like this, and I can't believe it was only $1. I mean, you get quite a bit of product on here. So I mean, I'm not moving anytime soon, but I just picked it up because I like picking up those kind of stuff, because I like to show Dollar Tree that that's a cool thing to have. I don't know if that, because if we don't buy it, then maybe they won't make them anymore. And when I am planning on moving, I want to have it. So I'll just put it away in my tools, and if I ever need it, I have it now. Speaking of tools, I needed a couple of wall screws, so this is a great little bargain. It's got some of the anchors in there and then the screws that go with it. So there's 22 screws and 22 anchors and several different sizes. And then I need to see if I can get into my sewing machine to do some cleaning, and I realized that I didn't have a screwdriver that was long enough to fit in because the screw, it's pretty far inside, so I didn't have a long enough one. The ones that I have are like smaller. So I went ahead and picked up these screwdrivers. I picked up this cutting board from Dollar Tree, obviously, marble theme, the marble cutting board. Oh, it's cool. It has a little film on it. I didn't know that it had a little, oh, that's cool. So it's nice and sanitized. I don't know if you saw that, but it has a little like plastic film on it. So that's nice. I didn't realize that. So yeah, I'm kind of, and I have the marble like serving utensils and spatulas and stuff. So I'm kind of slowly collecting marble stuff for my kitchen. And then I picked up this parchment paper. I just ran out, so I just picked some up. I'm super excited about this little piece, this floating shelf. I ended up picking up 5 of these. And granted, it's not that big, but the area that I'm thinking of putting them in, I actually want to put 3 of them in. And I think it's going to work perfect. Like, I was so excited when I saw this. I was like, I saw it in the store. I was like, wait, is that what I think it is? And then I picked it up and I was like, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I think it is. And it's perfect. I mean, you know, it's just plastic, but I needed something specifically kind of small to fit, and I'm going to do 3, kind of stack them 3 in a row. Like, I'm going to stack 3 up high. And yeah, I think it'll be perfect for what I needed. So I already knew I wanted 3 of them. So I'm like, well, let me buy 2 more just in case I find somewhere else that I want to put it. I picked up these quick erasers. They're the bonus pack, so it has 3 in there. Love these things. Highly recommend. I picked up some more latex gloves. I am surprised that they even had them, but I typically use these when I'm pumping my gas. So I throw one of these on to pump my gas with, and then I don't have a bunch of germs, and then I can just toss it because there's 100 for $1. I bought another nail file. My nails are out of control, ridiculous. I bought this little contact lens case. This is actually for my sister for her birthday, which already passed, and I forgot to put it in her birthday stuff. So I'll just include it in her Christmas. The same line of nail stuff, I bought some of this Kiss nail glue. This is definitely not the best nail glue around, but it works in a pinch when you need to nail your glue on your nails. And then I also bought this really pretty blue nail polish. I've never tried the nail polish at the Dollar Tree, but I figured since I'm in quarantine and can't get my nails done and I'm basically doing them on my own, I thought I would try that. I bought these scissors again in quarantine, and I'm cutting my own bangs. And yeah, so I went ahead and bought some. These are pretty nice. I've had these before and I like how they work. So I've had those before, so thought I'd buy another one. I found a couple of magnets. One of the things that I love about Dollar Tree is buying things like this so that I can put it in what I call my gift box. So I have a under the box like storage bin thing for under my bed, and I just buy stuff like this and I kind of put it in there, and then when I'm going to see friends or, you know, visiting people, I can grab some stuff out of the box, and I pretty much always have something that I can potentially give somebody if I want to. So I'm going to put that in my box. I went ahead and purchased one of these because, again, I'm doing my own nails. So I'm going to use this as a nail polish remover. So I'm going to put some nail polish remover in here. Really cool little gadget. It's got a little pump here, and you just push it down, and then the liquid comes out and kind of pools in this little bowl thing. I've looked at that several times, put it in my cart and put it back because I'm like, what am I going to use this for? But I'm like, well, I can use it for nail polish remover. I bought one of these brushes. I love these brushes, and highly recommend. I love the color too. All right, sorry I'm kind of going fast. There's just so much of it. I want to make sure I can get through it without making this video too long. Kind of an essential for me is having tissue. I need to have tissue in my car and my purse all the time. I'm just constantly, my nose is just out of control running. So not that you needed to know that information, but I love picking this particular brand up all the time. I needed some eyeglass cleaning cloths, so there you go. I needed some AAA batteries. I like to get the Panasonic ones. So I got some AAA and some AA. All right. I picked up these big, huge mason jars. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do with this thing, but you know what? It's one of those things where if I didn't pick it up and 6 months down the line, I go, oh, I need a mason jar for like a gift or to do something in, and I'm like, oh, I wish I had bought that mason jar at the Dollar Tree. Inevitably, it will not be there. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just buy it, and then I could just store it in my kitchen. And then when I need it, I have it. And so I bought 2 of them. And I bought a couple of these really pretty candle like holder thingies. I actually don't think I'm going to use it as a candle holder. I actually think I might leave one out in my desk right here just as like a catch-all, just to kind of put things in. I don't really know what I will put in there, but I love this gray one and then the teal, like minty color. So pretty. I think those are so pretty. And then I purchased these again. Have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but there's a lot of times when I'm setting up things for like when I have friends over and I kind of make a buffet. A lot of times I want to have stuff propped up higher than just on the table. So I thought this would be perfect if I wanted to like prop up a bowl, like a salsa bowl, or you know, something. I could use these as kind of like things to prop things up with, if that makes sense. So I bought the 2 different kinds, and they're a little bit like this one is a little bit shorter than this one. So yeah, so we'll see if that actually works. And then I think this is it. I bought some Greenery. And I feel like I have other Greenery that I don't know if I followed, but I just think this is really pretty. I mean, from afar, like, it looks really nice. It's a really nice Greenery. And I just want to have some Greenery. I have a cabinet up above, like kind of a high cabinet. So I thought I could kind of stick a couple of these up there, just kind of randomly up there, to kind of add some pop of green to the top of that cabinet. That was my thought process for buying these. There is a method to my madness, people. I don't buy anything unless I feel like I can use it, need it, want it. So yeah, that's my Dollar Tree haul for this time around. Tomorrow will be like, I went crazy at the Crafter's Corner. So I'll be sharing a bunch of stuff that I bought for that. And then on Thursday will be a huge sticker haul. So stay tuned for that. If you want to see those, make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up for my little mini Dollar Tree week. Hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again. Bye.